Extreme alert, flood warning. Flood warning for Delaware, Indiana, and Randolph, Indiana. Active until tonight at 4:45 p.m. Muncie, Indiana is under a flood warning. Heavy rain of 1.5 to 3 inches caused minor. Follow instructions from local emergency management. Monitor local emergency channels for updates and instructions. Stay informed at skytime.live.